To which category of the animal kingdom do humans belong? It's the phylum known as Chordata, encompassing all creatures who, at any stage in their lifetime, possess a nerve cord. The most significant subphylum within the Chordata group is Vertebrata. Vertebrates are identified by a backbone or spinal column, safeguarding the spinal cord. They possess an endoskeleton, an inner skeleton offering body support. Additionally, most vertebrates possess 2 pairs of limbs. For humans, this refers to our arms and legs. However, in various animals, these could manifest as wings or fins. We humans belong to a class of vertebrates called mammals, a class which includes animals like bears, monkeys, mice, and whales. The common feature among mammals, which is also their identifying characteristic, is that all female mammals nourish their offspring with milk produced in their mammary glands. The majority of mammals' birth live young ones, though a handful lay eggs. Mammal offspring receive parental care and bear a striking resemblance to their parents. Mammals are warm-blooded creatures, which means they keep their body temperature stable. All mammals have some form of hair or fur on their bodies, and they respire using lungs. Birds, another class of vertebrates, include species like flamingos, blue jays, owls, and eagles. Like mammals, birds also look after their young ones, breathe using lungs, and are warm-blooded. All birds are hatched from a hard-shell egg. They possess wings, feathers, and beaks. Their feathered wings enable most of them to fly. Birds also have adapted beaks, an important survival feature. Beaks, or bills as they are called in certain species, assist in a variety of tasks, including searching for food, killing prey, eating, grooming, and feeding their young. Each bird species has a uniquely sized and shaped beak, designed to meet their environmental requirements. For example, the long, slender beak of a hummingbird helps it feed on nectar deep inside a flower, while the large, curved beak of a parrot helps it crack open and eat seeds. Reptiles, including snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, and more, make up another class of animals. They are distinguished by their dry, thick, scaly skin. While some reptiles are terrestrial, others are aquatic. Most reptiles lay soft, leathery shelled eggs on dry land. Like birds and mammals, reptiles too breathe with lungs, but in contrast, they are cold-blooded, meaning they do not produce enough heat to maintain a stable body temperature, and thus usually adapt to the temperature of their surroundings. Another class of cold-blooded vertebrates includes amphibians like frogs, toads, and salamanders. Unlike reptiles, the skin of an amphibian is generally smooth and moist. Looking at the life cycle of a frog, which is typical of amphibians, you can observe that frogs respire through gills early in life and then develop lungs for terrestrial existence. Fish, a cold-blooded vertebrate class that resides in water and breathes through gills, are typically covered in scales and have fins. Most fish lay eggs. Certain fish, such as sharks, rays, and skates, fall into a group known as cartilaginous or soft-boned fish. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, a tissue, rather than hard bones. Some examples of hard-boned fish include salmon, tuna, herring, and marlin.